Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the theme in the Jodel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left, and click on the dark mode button, and here you can switch between light and dark mode, so just choose whichever is more preferable for you, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.